I'm making apple and brie stuffed chicken breasts. And I know what you're thinking. That sounds very fancy and hard to do, but it's not. It's delicious, and this recipe is for 2 people. The first thing I'm going to do is make the seasoning that's going to go over the chicken. So I have extra virgin olive oil, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, fresh rosemary that I've already chopped up, got salt, pepper, and minced garlic. I'm going to mix it all together, and it becomes like a marinade for our chicken. Okay, what we're going to do is cut into each chicken breast. Now this was 1 large chicken breast that I cut in half. So we're just going to make like slits. We're not going all the way through. Do as many as you want. All right, so it doesn't matter which you put in first, the apple or the brie. We can start here. The bigger pieces I would probably put in the middle, and then a piece of brie. So you're just pushing them in. Smaller pieces probably on the end. Now we put the marinade over the top of the chicken. Okay, the oven's set to 400 degrees. And it's going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Start with 20 because our chicken breasts are thinner. So you're going to need to keep an eye on it. This is apple and brie stuffed chicken breasts.
It sure is. You got a little one. I got a big one.
Well, that's okay. Now I was thinking you could also chop up the apple and just put it on top of the chicken. That's another option if you don't want to slice it.
I wondered how you made the apples stand up the other day when you were testing it in the kitchen. I was impressed. I thought it was some magical balancing act. Until I saw you do it and videoed it where you actually made little cuts.
Oh, that's good. Very good. And the brie, of course I love brie. Oh my God. And I have this over rice.
Oh, this is
with
flavorful.
Green beans on the side. So, and it would be easy to double or triple this recipe. This is just 2, so it's dinner for 2. But I think it looks great, you know, to serve to family and friends.
Oh, it's
guests.
delicious. Yeah, brie, amazing. I like it. Just actually all holds together.
It
And
does.
imagine if you just put the brie on top of it, it would just slide off.
True.
So it's pretty genius.
Yeah, I didn't think about that part of
It
it.
pins it to the chicken.
Right.
And the apple is really delicious with the
Right.
with
It's
the chicken
delicate.
and the brie. It is delicate.
It's just a hint of taste. I like it. Definitely making this again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
Very good.
Had to clean up all her mess and burn the vintage dress. 45 till I die. Wow, I set my house on fire.